This video presents Arduino-based motion detection sensor using the HC-SR501 module. Such sensors have applications in the area of home automation and security systems. The HC-SR501 module is a passive infrared motion detection sensor that can be used for detection of moving objects. Let's have a look at the configuration of the module. Here we have the connecting pins, VCC, ground, and the output, which is connected to a digital pin of the Arduino. The time delay adjust pot determines how long the output remains high after motion detection, and this could be between 5 seconds and 5 minutes. The sensitivity adjust pot sets the detection range, which could be between 3 meters and 7 meters. The trigger selection jumper determines whether we want single trigger or repeatable trigger. In this video, we will set the jumper to single trigger. This is the circuit used to test the motion detection sensor. The output of the sensor is connected to digital pin 2, and we have 3 LEDs, red, green, and blue, connected to 3 digital pins of the Arduino. The circuit operation is as follows. Initially, the red LED will be on, indicating a wait time of 6 seconds in order for the module to stabilize, after which the green LED will turn on, indicating that the module is ready to detect objects. Once an object is detected, the blue LED turns on, and then the cycle is repeated where the red LED is on to give a wait time of 6 seconds. And now for a quick demonstration. Let's have a look at the C++ code. Here we define macros for the sensor pin and the 3 LEDs, and we use this variable to store the sensor value. Inside the setup function, and after determining the pin modes of the pin, we do a 1-minute delay to stabilize the sensor by turning on the wait LED, and after the 1 minute we turn on the ready LED. Inside the loop function, we read the sensor value and we check for motion detection. If motion is detected, then we turn on the detect LED for 3 seconds, and then we wait for 6 more seconds to restabilize the sensor by turning on the wait LED for 6 seconds, and then we turn on the ready LED. On the other hand, if motion is not detected, the detect LED will stay off. This video has demonstrated a simple, versatile motion detection module that can easily be integrated in home automation applications. Thank you for watching.